Have you heard this quote? You cannot see your reflection in boiling water. This means you can't think clearly when you're boiling with anger. And trust me, I've been there. Hi, I'm Lipika Sud. I'm an interior designer, a motivator, an entrepreneur, a poet. I love sharing all things beautiful. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so. I would love to share more with you. So when you're angry, it's like your mind is a pot of boiling water. Everything gets all so steamy and blurry, and it's impossible to see things clearly. I remember once I got so mad about missing a deadline that I couldn't think straight for hours. I bet you've had moments like that too. But here's the thing. Just like the water, our minds need to cool down to reflect clearly. When you and I are calm, we can see our thoughts, our actions, and our next steps much more clearly. One trick that helps me in taking a deep breath and counting till 10. You might find it silly, but it works. It gives your brain a moment to switch from boiling anger to cool reflection. Imagine if we all did this. Instead of reacting in anger, we take a moment to cool down. It can lead to better decisions, stronger relationships, and a more peaceful world. So next time you feel that anger bubbling up, remember the boiling water. Take a breath, cool down, and let your mind reflect clearly. You'll be amazed at how much better you handle things. 3 things that have really helped me calm down when I'm angry. Let me share them with you. 1. Deep breathing. Yes, take a deep breath, hold it for a few seconds, and then slowly exhale. Repeat this a few times. It's amazing how much this simple act can help calm your mind. Number 2, when all things go out of control and I'm so angry, the best thing to do is go take a walk. Sometimes a change of scenery can do wonders. Go for a walk, even if it's just around your home. Moving your body helps release tension and gives you a fresh perspective. And number 3, it's helped me a lot, is about writing it down. Grab a diary, a piece of paper, anything, and just write down your feelings. Getting your thoughts out on paper, out of your head, can help you process your emotions more clearly and rationally. It's so important to manage our anger. Reacting when you're angry can have long-lasting negative impacts. When we react in anger, we often say things we don't mean. And words spoken in anger can hurt relationships deeply, sometimes beyond repair. I've seen friendships, even family ties, strained because of heated words. Anger can also lead us to make rash decisions that we later regret. Quitting a job, ending a relationship, or making financial choices in a fit of rage can have consequences that last far longer than the anger itself. Moreover, constant anger and stress takes a toll on our health. It can lead to high blood pressure, anxiety, and even heart problems. Taking steps to calm down isn't just about avoiding conflict. It's about taking care of yourself too. Yes, by learning to manage our anger, we can protect our relationships, make better decisions, and maintain our health. It's a powerful way to ensure our actions today don't create regrets tomorrow. Yes, you've got this. Let's spread this message and make our world a calmer, happier place. Thanks for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, do give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll be back with more fun and more motivational content. Till then, I believe in you. I love you. Stay cool and keep smiling.